Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way, fun way, because Espanol es muy loco. Y buenas tardes, good evening. So till now you have already learned about the regular verbs, okay? You already know the conjugations and we have done that part already, how to form the verbs, okay? But in this video we are going to learn about the irregular verbs. This is way more different than regular verbs, but not totally different, okay? In regular verbs also there are three types of verbs: AR, IR and ER ending verbs. In irregular verbs also there are three types of verbs: AR, IR and ER ending verbs, okay? So this is the similarity between them, but there is not a fixed pattern for irregular verbs, which we have to learn eventually for each verbs. But there is a similarity between the conjugations, how we conjugate the different verbs. There is a similarity between them, okay? So we are going to learn that. First of all, let me tell you, there is a type of irregular verbs which is stem changing verbs, okay? So what we do in that, obviously we will remove these from the end. Let's suppose in regular verbs we were taking hablar, we were removing AR from the end and we were adding O for first person, hablo. That is a regular verb. So for irregular verbs also we will eventually remove these letters from the end, but also we will change the spelling from between. Okay, so we are going to see the stem changing verbs and how many types are there in stem changing verbs. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see here, stem changing verbs we are going to learn about. Let me tell you, there are 4-5 types of stem changing verbs. There is a pattern for that. Okay, so first pattern will be E changes to IE. For example, let's take a verb which is cerrar. Okay, this is the AR ending verb, and for ER we can take encender. Okay, this is an ER ending verb. For IR we can take sentir. Okay, so what we'll do here, we will remove these from the end, AR, ER and IR from the end, and we will add the following alphabets like we were doing in regular verbs conjugations, okay? But we will also change E to IE. So first person, cierro, entiendo, siento. Okay, we are removing these from the end and we are also adding IE by removing this single E. Okay, so now we are going to learn about these three verbs, how we conjugate them. Okay, and exceptions are always there in Spanish language for conjugations as well. Okay, so let's get to the conjugations of this first. So yeah, as you can see here, these are the conjugations for cerrar verb. So as you can see here, this is the cerrar verb, which is AR ending verb, and this is the first type of stem changing verbs. Okay, E changes to IE. This is the first type of stem changing verbs, and we have taken the example AR ending verb cerrar. Cerrar means to close, close the door. Okay, cierra la puerta, close the door. So what we are doing here, as you can see here, you have already done the part for regular verbs, how we were doing that. We were adding this. Okay, amos, aris, an. For AR ending verb, this is the singular forms, these are the plural forms. Okay, but we will change this to IE. Okay, so cerrar, cierro. Okay, cerrar changes to for first form cierro, IE. Cierras, cierra. So I will say, yo cierro la puerta, I close the door. Tú cierras la puerta, you close the door. Ella, usted cierra la puerta. This is a third form singular. She, he close the door. Cerramos. Why we are not changing this to IE? Because these are the regular forms. These are not the irregular ones. Okay, these are the exceptions basically. We will not change this to this for first and second person plural. Okay, we will conjugate this and this like we were doing for regular verbs. Cerramos, Serrais. But this form, we are changing E to IE, Sierran. Okay, these two are the exceptions for AR ending verb. E changes to IE. Okay, I am going to put the list of E changes to IE verbs. Okay, either they are AR, IR, or ER ending verbs. I will put the list of this. E changes to IE verbs for irregular verbs, which are stem changing verbs. Okay, so I will put that in description. After this video you can learn those verbs. Okay, so we have done this part. Cierro la puerta, cierras la puerta, cierra la puerta. But this is cerramos, cerráis, cierran. Okay, these are the pattern. So yeah, so let's get to the ER ending verb now. So this is the ER ending verb, as you can see, entender. Okay, what we are doing here, we are doing the same. We will remove this and we will add this. Okay, E to IE. Entiendo. Obviously we are removing this from the end like we were doing in regular verbs. Okay, we will remove this from the end and we are adding these. Hemos, eis, en. Okay, but for irregular verbs, stem changing verbs we are learning, we will change this to this. E, IE. Entiendo, entiendes, entiende. These are exceptions. Entendemos. We are not changing this. We are not. Entendéis, entiendes. Obviously we will change this. Okay, so these are the exceptions and these are the conjugations. First person, entender means to understand. Okay, to understand something. So for first person, let's take an example. Entiendo tu problema. I understand your problem. Okay, this is the present tense we are learning. Entiendo tu problema. Tú entiendes mi problema, my problem. Okay, so you understand my problem, to understand. Okay, ella, usted entiende la problema or una problema or tu problema. Okay, entendemos tu problema, your problem. We understand your problem. Entendéis tu problema. You all understand your problem. Entienden de. Okay, ellos ellas ustedes entienden la problema. Okay, so that's how we do. Entiendo, entiendes. This we are doing the same like we were doing for regular verbs, but we will change this. This is the important part, as we are learning the first type of stem changing verbs. Okay, so these are the conjugations we do for ER ending verbs. Okay, so we are doing the same, right, like we were doing for AR ending verb. Yeah, so these are the conjugations which are fixed, but these are the exceptions. Let's get to the IR ending verb. Okay, so yeah, these are the conjugations for IR ending verb, which is sentir. Sentir means to feel something. Okay, yo siento bien, I feel good. Okay, so these are the singular forms and these are the plural forms. Okay, like we were doing for regular verbs, we will change this and we will change this to these alphabets. Okay, but also, as you all know, we are learning E changes to IE, stem changing verbs. So sentir is the part of it. Siento, we will change this to this. Okay, siento, yo siento bien, I feel good. Tú sientes bien, you feel good. Ella, usted siente bien, he, she feels good. And you in a formal way. Sentimos, we are not changing these. Okay, sentimos, sentes, not sentéis, no, sentes. This is the exceptional case. Okay, sienten. Okay, ellos ustedes sienten bien, they feel good. Okay, so that was it for today. We have learned the very first part of stem changing verbs. E changes to IE. This is the first part. Okay, this is the first part of stem changing verbs. So about the other stem changing verbs, we are going to learn in the next videos, okay, in the coming videos. But this is the first form, E changes to IE. And you have already done the conjugations for AR, IR and ER ending verb today for irregular verbs. Okay, there is not a fixed pattern for irregular verbs. We will change them, but somehow there is a similar pattern. Okay, so this is the first part of it, stem changing verbs, and in the next video we are going to learn about the other ones. But yeah, so that was it for today. So keep practicing the conjugations for regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now you have learned a new type of verb of irregular verbs, so keep practicing these, and I will put some verbs in the description part of this video which are the part of e changes to ie. Okay, either it is ar, ir or er ending verb. You can conjugate them on your own. Okay, so stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a local way. Y hasta pronto. Adios.